wore Joshwards the fuck out. Like, these logs weigh like 400 pounds a piece. Chooched, man, big time. They gotta move all this and cut, still got more to cut down. Dropped like 20 fucking trees. This helps Joshward when he's trying to stop straight down. Makes these little logs that you can't even pick them up. We go all the way to them flags. And way around. Need a skid steer. Only way. There's dude right out. Okay. There's Joshward's shoot. You got a cigarette?
I can't lie.
Are you tired?
I'm hurt.
You're hurt? There's your jug up.
Are you making a video?
Yep, you got all kinds of jug up.
You got a video?
What do you think?
You have the job here.
Yeah.
Video? Yeah.
Oh, fresh can jug up. There's jug up.
It's starting to rain a little bit.
Jug up. Josh's first day back at work.
Third day.
Third day.
Third day.